to Minnie.
Minnie Toys!
I'm Mommy.
I'm Minnie.
And today we're going to be unboxing the Mini Brands Series 2. There are 130 plus minis to collect. And let's see, I see Bagel Bites, some ranch, golden crispy crowns. Oh, let's see here. Oh, some marshmallows, Tapatio hot sauce. So this is the Mini Brands Series 2. We have a double pack here. And there are 5 surprises in each ball. So here is the first one. And here is the second one. And we are so excited to unbox these all new minis and to see what we get. All right, let's get into it.
So first, let's open up the first pack. I wonder what's going to be inside today. Let's see. These things are very hard to open. Let's see. All right, let's see what we got. All right, which one should we open first? This one looks nice. Ooh, we got cinnamon toasters. They look so yummy. They feel squishy. They look very yummy.
Oh, this cereal is so yummy. I'll take that and put it over here.
All right, let's see what we got next. Whoa, what happened? What is this? Oh, it's a shopping cart. Mommy, do you want to help me put it together?
Sure. Let's get all the pieces together. All right, got it about halfway done here. Let's go shopping.
Let's pick out the toasters. See, it's the same one. Ooh, look at the shopping cart that we made.
I like it. It's blue and yellow. Very cool.
Alrighty, let's see what we got next. Ooh, there's a checklist to see what we got. And we got some pork salute. It looks very yummy.
I think that's cheese, maybe?
Yeah, I think it is. Let's put it in with our shopping cart. All right, next one to do. It's so exciting. Aww, we just got some diapers. They look so cute.
Let's see, Rascal and Friends premium diapers. Those look nice.
Let's add them to our shopping cart.
I like to put the diapers underneath. I think it fits better.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what the next one is. Ooh, we got some black pepper. It looks... Let's add it in our shopping cart.
Oh, my turn. So here is my ball. Get it started here. All right, I cannot wait to see what I pull. This can be a little tricky to open. All right, finally got the paper off. Let's pull this part off. Well, let's see. Oh, there we go. Had to try the other side. All right, got that pulled off. Let's see. Oh, I love these. These are golden crispy crowns, seasoned shredded potatoes. Oh, these are so good. All right, let's see what I get in my next little spot here. Oh, I got the same thing that Minnie got. I got a McCormick pure ground black pepper. That is so good. All right, on to my third mini surprise here. And let's see. Oh, I got some cheese. Lear Damar? Lear Dammer? I don't really know how to say this. Nutty and mild cheese. Maybe you've ordered that before. I've never had that before. All right, and here, oh my, all these things that we can collect. So let's see what I get in my fourth surprise here. Oh, I got a shopping cart too, and I'll put that together later. It was kind of difficult to put together the first time, right, Minnie?
Right. It took a lot of work.
So we'll put that to the side. Let's see what I get as my fifth and final surprise. Oh, one of my very favorite cereals, Honey Bunches of Oats. What is your favorite cereal? Let us know down in the comments. Here are the 5 surprises. Let's see. Oh, we're going to add minis on here too. So these are the surprises that we pulled today. We got 2 shopping carts, 2 different types of cereal. We got 2 ground black peppers, these little potato rounds, 2 different kinds of cheese. We got so many cool things. Oh, there goes the shopping cart.
Let's pick up some stuff while we're at it.
There we go. We can add them to our cart here. I don't think all of this is going to be able to fit, but maybe just a few things. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching.